안녕하세요, 물고기 친구들. Hello, everyone. This is Serena. Today, we're gonna cover how to say some random stuff in Korean, right? Just daily base. So, this is actually the thing that I mentioned in another video, how to learn Korean. You can actually check on over there, right? So, yes, in order to learn another language, you have to use as much as you can, right? So, these kind of terms might be very helpful. I'm gonna give you a few of them, all right? So, first, well, because of the COVID-19, we are a little bored these days, aren't we? Not me, but probably sometimes. Why not, right? So, I'm bored. I'm bored. 심심해요. 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 심심 H is a similar function as a circle as well, so the bottom consonant moves next. So 심심해, 심심해, M kind of going next, right? It's automatically happen. You don't have to make it on purpose, right? 심심해요. 심심해요. Right. Next one. Opposite. Oh, I'm so busy. I'm so busy these days. 바빠요. 저 바빠요. 바빠요. 저 바빠요. You can also put 저, I, right? 저는 바빠요. or 저 바빠요. 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 바빠요? 네, 바빠요. Busy? Yes, I'm busy. I'm tired. 졸려요. 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 I'm sleepy. I am falling asleep. That's 졸려요. Okay. 저 졸려요. 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 And then what else? When you get hungry, you will say this a lot, right? Koreans love to complain all the time. Well, same as me. I always say these words, say these terms so much. So I'm hungry. 배고파요. 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 After a meal, when I'm saying, oh, I'm so full, I'm so stuffed, I can't eat anymore, I'm so full. And you will say, 배불러요. 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 So, 배고파요. 배불러요. There is a connection, right? 배 means stomach. 배고파요. 고파요. Well, there's no such a meaning inside, but it means 고프다 means like it's kind of empty or lack of something, right? 고프다. 배고파요. And 배불러요. 배불러요. 배고파요. 배불러요. Alright? 저는 배고파요. You don't have to really put 저는 배고파. Of course, you've heard from Korean dramas saying just 배고파 or 심심해, 바빠? Like that. So these terms, yes, that's totally fine. It's just informal form. Informal form, you only have to use it between close friends, maybe families, right? But I would recommend do not ever use informal form unless you know this person, unless they are younger than you, obviously younger than you. Okay. And then also, even like right now, if I'm talking to you, I possibly, like majority of people can be younger than me. But I will gonna just use formal form because it's also showing the respect. Okay. So, well done guys, and see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel as well, alright? See you next time. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.